triplets. Good morning, Hatchimals. And it's a Saturday today. Come on, guys, it's a Saturday today. Come on, get up. Okay, we're going. We can get the last Hatchimal. Come on, mini triplets, come on. Whee! Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go eat breakfast. Park your vehicle. Get cooked today. Okay, cook. And okay, come on. Jack and wings today. Oh, we'll just eat banana chips today. And cut. Come on, let's go, now, guys. It's a Saturday today. Everyone, wake up. It's a Saturday today. We get to go to the park, eat ice cream, go to the vendor shop. What? What is it? What? It's Saturday. Okay. Zoom to the bathroom. Snore. Daddy, come on, Mommy. Come on, other Mommy. Come on, okay. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to the vendor now. Let's go. Thankfully, it's just in the park, and the park's almost right next to us. We're here, the vendor. Now, what should we buy? Now, what do you want? I want that donut. Okay. I want that donut. How many? Oh. Hi guys. What would you like today? Okay. What do you want, little guy? I want that donut. How much is the donut? Oh, the donut? The donut is 50 cents. 50. Okay, let's see if we have 50. Oh, here we go. Can I have the donut? Yes. Just take the donut. Give me the 50 cents, please. There you go, buddy. Here. Put it in the truck. Now, what do you want? I want the collectibles. How much is for the collectibles? Which ones? He really wants that one. Oh, those are a million skins. A million skins. That's worth 1,000. I have a discount. See, look at this card. It takes 90 away. Still, you don't have enough skins. I'm sorry. Do you have a discount because it's Saturday today?
Oh, yeah. But it's only 10 cents.
Plus this?
Still not enough. You can't get it. This telescope is only
I don't want a telescope.
What else would you want?
Ooh, I want Bulbasaur. How much for the Bulbasaur?
We don't have a Bulbasaur.
No, Bulbasaur Spencer.
Dispenser? Oh, that would be 100 cents, please.
Thankfully, I have enough.
Plus the tax would be 100 cents. So if you want to pay it now, pay it now.
200.
Thank you. Just put it on the counter.
Okay, what do I want? I want that hairbrush. How much is for this hair comb thing?
That's 500 cents, please.
He paid more, so he gets a change.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got a total change of 200 cents.
So I'm gonna put it in the cashier. Okay, what do I want? Actually, what do I want? I really want a statue. The Alex toy.
The Alex store? That would be 1,000 cents, please. Oh, can't reach it. Here. Grab the Alex toy.
Oh, and I want that drink. How much is that for that Coca-Cola drink?
The Coca-Cola? Oh, that's not for sale. I just put it there. It's my drink.
What? Where did you exactly get it from?
Target.
Okay, Sky, what do you want? What do I want? I want... Oh, right, I forgot to take the hairbrush out. I want the ball.
Oh, sorry. That's 1,000,000 cents too. Would you like this mini bracelet? It has a discount. It has a discount for 500 cents. That would be only 100.
Here you go.
Thank you. And Magic Owl, what do you want?
The last Hatchimal.
Oh, you mean you want a surprise egg?
Yes.
Okay, I'm getting you a surprise egg. And here we go.
I'll open it later.
Oh! Sorry, but for the fun run race this year, I forgot to give you this medal. You remember that I was the leader of your pack? I forgot to give you this medal. Here we go.
That's pennies.
For free. Ah, my coat is cold. Here you go.
Now, I'm going to go back home and place all this stuff, and then we'll go to the parky. Okay, little guys? Okay.
Okay.
Adios.
Oh. I'm done brushing my teeth. They're already dressed. I just gotta get dressed. Oh, yeah, that's right. There we go. I can't see eyes. Like that. That's better. Okay, guys, come on, time to go to the park.
We're finally here. We have to get surprises for them. So, what's Score Bunny like?
Oh, Score Bunny.
They like the fire gummies. How much are the fire gummies? How much are the fire gummies, please?
They would be 50 cents, please.
For only a ball?
Yeah, only a ball.
Here we go. For 2 balls.
We don't accept double payment for 2 balls. Our policy says
Here we go.
no 2 balls. You have to get the other one tomorrow. Each one of them has 10 fire gummies inside.
Okay. What would Litten like?
Litten likes cameras because so she can video the pranks on everyone.
Now, how much is the camera?
The camera, it's on a discount for 200 cents.
200, okay.
Put this down.
Now, what would Toxa like? Oh, she loves this. How much is the chocolate syrup?
No, that's not chocolate syrup. That's poison syrup.
Oh, I would like poison syrup. How much is it?
It's only 100 cents, please.
By the way, I do have it. What's Score Bunny like? Oh, I know. How much is this car?
I thought you already got Score Bunny fire gummies.
I mean, who is it called? Charmander.
Oh, you can get those blocks. Those blocks are for babies.
How much are they?
They're 1,000 cents.
Okay, I'll take them.
Minnie Mouse, I need to go to the bathroom, the restroom. Can you please take over? Yeah, sure. Okay. Hello, guys. What would you like today?
He already said that, by the way.
Oh, yeah. So what do you want again?
Can I have this? See,
That would be 1,000 cents, please.
thank you. I need to get a surprise for Pikachu. Of course, and Dragonite. So, how much is this?
That's that's for sale. That was for sale on Friday. Those collectibles are only sale on Friday. Sorry.
Pikachu would like a chocolate. How much is Statue of Liberty?
25 cents, please.
Here we go. Now, just need to figure out what would Pikachu like. Is that banana on sale?
No, that's my snack.
Oh. Can I have a surprise egg?
Yeah, okay. Here. Surprising. Here we go.
Is it for free?
Yeah, those are for free.
I think they're for free. Let me just give you this.
Oh, are those surprise eggs for free, Nikki? Yeah, they're for free. Okay, they're for free.
I'll just give you a little tip. Okay? We're gonna go to the park. If you're gonna go there, then goodbye.
Wait, haven't you got one for Snorlax and Dragonite?
I got one for Dragonite.
What about Snorlax?
I got one for Snorlax.
Which one?
Collectibles, he loves these.
What about Dragonite?
Oh, Dragonite, I got him. I didn't forget.
He would really like the car.
I got him the Statue of Liberty, remember?
Oh, yeah.
I want one. I would like that ball.
The ball?
Is it for free? I'm kidding. It's 1,000. I read it.
He's having a cupcake. Okay, what else would you like?
That's it, thank you. Adios.
Okay.
How are we going to carry all this stuff?
Let's go to the park now. Okay. Come on. Where's Mom? What is it now, Charmander? Litten stepped on my tail. Cut!
Maybe I'll just slide.
Oopsies.